Puro ka reklamo.
What?
Pero bakit nandito ka pa din sa Canada? Reklamo dito, reklamo doon, for the content na pang million views ngayon sa social media. Bakit nga ba marami sa ating mga kababayan ang mareklamo tungkol sa buhay nila dito sa Canada? Pero hanggang ngayon, nandito pa din sila. Kaya ngayong araw na ito, pag-uusapan natin na bakit despite sa napakaraming reklamo ng mga kababayan natin sa Canada, bakit nandito pa rin silang lahat? For the views lang ba? O may mas malalim na kwento? Now, let's talk about the reality of life in Canada. Unang reklamo, easy lang yan. The weather. Hey Siri, what's the weather like here in Edmonton?
This weather can off. This weather. This snow. It's cold. And where in the is the road?
Ice Age in here. This is the river here in Edmonton. This is the famous Walterdale Bridge. Look at that. Frozen. Somebody left their frozen bike here. My fingers are hurting, man. It's cold.
Extreme cold weather continues to keep Western Canada in its grip, with relief still days away. Temperatures in Edmonton and Calgary today are hovering close to -40.
Basically, when cold air comes down from the North Pole and settles us into this deep freeze that we're, well, enduring. Let's put it that way.
Let's have some coffee. It's extremely cold here in Edmonton, and I just wanted to show you how it looks like from here. So usually this area right here, you could see the whole downtown Edmonton. Right now, look at that. You barely couldn't see it. I'm not even wearing a gloves, but I wouldn't be here for so long. I'm also wearing Crocs. See that? But my car is right there. You can see. Parang sinampal ka talaga ng Canada sa lamig. Pagbukas mo pa lang ng pintuan, ayan na, umpisa na ng laban. Talagang hindi biro, mga kababayan. Yung lamig na nanunuot dito. Pero kahit anong reklamo natin, guess what? No choice. Papasok pa rin tayo sa trabaho. Life goes on. Sabi nga nung iba, lamig ka lang. Pinoy ako. Canada will teach you 3 things na natutunan ko din dito. Coffee, coffee ulit, and coffee pa more. And ito, yung pinaka-viral na reklamo. Ang mahal dito. Pag nag-grocery ka, mataas ang presyo ng mga bilihin. Yung rent, para nagbabayad ka ng mansyon sa Pilipinas. Pero,
wait, what?
Basement pa lang yan. But, here's the truth. Kahit mahal, meron ka pa ring chance na mabuhay na maayos. As long as marunong ka mag-budget at may stable kang trabaho. Hindi perfect, pero may opportunity. Next complaint, pagod na ako. Kasi double job, triple job. But let's be real. Double job isn't a Canada thing. It's, I want to build my future faster kind of thing. Marami sa atin nagsasacrifice ngayon para ma-achieve yung goals nila later. Like yung permanent residency, better future for the kids, makapagpundar, makapagpadala sa pamilya. So yes, pagod ka, pero may purpose. Now, eto yung controversial. Triple job na, pero walang ipon. Kasi we have to understand, hindi porket nasa Canada ka ay automatic na yayaman ka. Walang ganun, kabayan. Kailangan marunong ka ring mag-manage ng iyong finances. Pero bakit sila nandito pa rin kahit wala pang ipon? Kasi kahit mabagal ang progress, may progress pa rin. And sa totoo lang, kahit mahirap, kadalasan may stable and quality ang life dito kumpara sa dati natin. Ito yung next drama. Wala na daw trabaho. Pero bakit yung mismong nagsasabi sa inyo na wala ng trabaho dito sa Canada, siya mismo may trabaho? O ipagpalagay na natin na wala siyang trabaho. Paano siya nabubuhay araw-araw dito? Not unless retired na siya. Or baka naman may under the table na pinagkukuhaan ng income. And minsan, sasabihin naman niya sa next vlog, guys, may bago na akong trabaho. Nakailang apply lang, nakahanap din. Reality, may trabaho pa din sa Canada. Depende sa sector ng trabaho na hinahanap mo. Pero hindi lahat ng trabaho ay dream job mo. Hindi rin lahat ng entry level ay madaling pasukan. May mga requirements kasi and eligibility, let's face it mga kababayan. At minsan, kailangan mong mag-adjust, mag-aral, or mag-upgrade. So yes, may struggle pero may options. Now, let's talk about the reason why kahit na puro reklamo ang iba sa mga kababayan natin, hindi pa din naman sila umaalis and they choose to stay. Number one, it's because of safety. Canada is still one of the safest country. Crime rates statistics reference. Ito evidence that Canada remains among the safer countries globally according to the Institute of Economics and Peace, IEP, which publishes the Global Peace Index. Canada is ranked 14th out of 163 countries in 2025, tied with Netherlands for overall peacefulness. On a national level naman, the Statistics Canada StatCan reported that in 2024, the countrywide Crime Severity Index or CSI dropped to 77.9, decreasing 4% from the previous year. Also in 2024, the national homicide rate was 1.91 per 100,000 people, down from 1.99 the previous year. These statistics suggest that compared with many countries, Canada remains relatively stable and safe overall. Number two, healthcare. It's not perfect pero at least meron tayong access. Number three, opportunity. Pag nagsipag ka, may kabayaran. Number four is future. Hindi lang para sa sarili pero para sa pamilya din. PR and citizenship, yan yung pang-5. Hindi nila bibitawan yung pinagtrabahuhan nila ng taon. Number 6, personal growth. Canada forces you to be independent. You learn discipline, patience, and strength. Kaya kahit mareklamo ang iba sa mga kababayan natin, nandito pa din sila because beneath all the struggle, they know it's still worth it. So next time na may makita ka na nagrereklamo na ayoko na sa Canada, tapos vlog ulit bukas, still in Canada, siguro maganda tanungin nyo sila, why are you still here in Canada? All I can say is that there is no perfect country, mga kababayan. Pero for many of us, this is where we grow, where we rebuild, where we dream again. Ikaw kabayan, puro reklamo ka rin ba sa Canada? Kung oo, bakit nandito ka pa rin sa Canada? Leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video sa mga kaibigan nyong araw-araw nagre-reklamo pero hindi umuwi. I'll see you on my next video. And yes, magreklamo ka ulit bukas. Sabi nga nila, consistency is the key.